Hey everybody, I have a P Louise box. This is the mystery box. I bought it from the TikTok shop. I will put a link in the description down below if you're interested in the product, and do bear in mind that all products will be randomly selected, I think, so you're not going to get exactly the same as what I got in the box, so bear that in mind. If you're interested in this purchase, I will leave the link down below. This is my first product, first items from P Louise. I'm really looking forward to it. I've heard great reviews, so let's see what's inside the box. So you have this wee perforated bit on the box, right here, and you pull that. And it says on the box, embrace the change, the outcome is beautiful. Once you open me, I am officially yours forever. No returns, refunds or exchanges. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really, really pretty. It's like it's got a wee stamp on the box. Special delivery. There is a wee tiny dent in it, which is unfortunate, but that's just obviously the delivery. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got. So there is, a wee P Louise Protect Your Pout keyring in here. So it's a blue raspberry flavour. Pretty cool. So you've seen the Protect Your Pout. The next item is a flirty flush of colour, a liquid blush, brilliant, ballet slipper. I'm going to open it up and show you the colour of this. So this is the colour of the blush. It looks really pretty. So it's a nice peachy colour. That'll be brilliant on my skin tone. I've heard really good things about these. I'm looking forward to trying this out. First two products that you've seen, I'm just going to open the bubble wrap now, and we will see what else we've got in here. Here goes. Oh, it's a big palette. Oh, it's wrapped a few times. Oh, if the crown fits. Hopefully it's nice, pretty colours. It's really heavy. I'm going to open it up and show you. And I also got, well, it's sneaking behind here. Witness the wetness, dripping with benefits. So this is a lip drip. Thick formula. Fairest of them all. Irresistible high shine. So I'll open them and show you what it's like. This is a lip drip. Nice packaging. It's kind of matte. It's got wee water or liquid drips over the packaging, which is kind of cool. Lip drip. I'm not sure the shade. I'm going to open it up and have a wee look. This is the colour of the lip drip. It's very pale. I'll show you the wand. So this is the colour of the wand. So you get an idea how pale it actually is. Very pale. It doesn't feel sticky on the lips at all. But it's super pale. I need to keep trying it and see exactly what I think of it. I'm going to open the eyeshadow palette now and show you. This is what the palette packaging looks like. It's got the branding on the front, P Louise, and then the crown fits. And then it's got the wee crown love heart on the front. It's got crowns inside. Plastic top. Very, very heavy. Very heavy. These wee crowns do sometimes move about. Looks like they're jammed now. But they're all jammed together. It should be moving, I think. Should move at some point. It doesn't want to play. Right, so this is the shadow palette, which is, if I can open it, well, perfect colours on the top for a first timer. Let's take this seal off. There's a big massive mirror in it. And you've got all these lovely shades. Lots of browns, shimmers, mattes. So pretty. Really, really like this. Look at that main roll. It's like a bluey white. It's actually not a bluey white, it's like a creamy white. Yellows, golds. Look at that gold. Open the wee drawer, there was a wee sticky bit that says peel here, so I've took that off and I'm going to try and attempt to open this now. Actually have to pause the camera and I'll be right back and show you. So this is the second palette. I did manage to get it out. It's quite similar to the first, except for there's a lot more peachy tones in here. Very pretty palette. Whereas the other one has got a black as well. And then the browns. Really stunning imprints and everything in the packaging. It's really pretty. And then you've got all of these ones as well. I cannot wait to try this formula. I've never tried anything from P Louise, so really looking forward to that. This is the start of my collection from P Louise. So that's what you get in the packaging. Guys, but remember, bear in mind if you're buying one for yourself, everyone is different, so I think your items will be selected at random. So I will put a link down below for you guys if you're interested in purchasing one of these on the TikTok shop. It was £30 for the 4 items. It was £30. Trying to show you some of the wee crowns that are falling now. I'm showing me up now. There we go. Some of them, they're obviously just jammed, but I didn't want to tap it too hard and then the whole thing, I break the shadows. So this is the final items. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you would give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, I would really enjoy it if you could subscribe to my channel. Share with your friends and family. And I hope everyone has a lovely weekend. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.